Yes, guys, the major is here. So as you can see here, I just opened few positions on boom 1000, and it's gonna spike right away. Okay, so I'm about to disclose this to you guys strategy. Okay, I'm about to show you guys how accurate this strategy is, the accuracy of this strategy. Okay, this strategy is a two-in-one strategy, meaning you can equally use this strategy to catch spikes on boom and crash, and as well scalp boom and crash. Yeah, you heard me. You can use this strategy to catch spikes on boom and crash, and also scalp boom and crash with this strategy. Okay, so this strategy is being tested, and it has it's a proven strategy that has worked over time. That's I've used it over time, and it's really paying off. Okay, so as you can see here, we just had a spike. Like I told you, we just had a spike, a very massive spike at that very point. Okay, so this is how good this strategy is. So what you need to do, if you don't want to catch just one spike, you can just move your SL a few pips above, right? Or you close out already. Yeah, so that's how accurate this strategy is. Okay, so if you are new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget to join our free Telegram channel, okay, for more updates. Yeah, so as you can see the accuracy of this strategy, let me bring it up. Okay, this video will not be long. You can see the accuracy of the strategy. The video won't be long. Okay, so I think I should quickly close these positions. Yeah, or I think it's my spike again, because you see what happened here. You see the long spike that happened at this very point some time ago. It might it might spike one more time. So what I will need to do, because there's something you need to understand. When it spikes like this, you need to give it 1 or 2 minutes, like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, if it doesn't spike again, you can go ahead and close. Okay, why? Because sometimes let me show you something. Yeah, you can see this. It spike, this spike the first time and the second time. Okay, sometimes it will spike once and type two candles. After candles, two candles, it spikes. Okay, like 1 2, it spikes again. So that's why I would like to hold it for a while, for after two candlesticks, to see if it spikes. If it doesn't spike after two candlesticks, then I'll go ahead and close them. Okay, yeah, so I can see here, after two candlesticks, after the first spike, it printed two dots. After the two dots, there was a spike again. Okay, so it has been doing like that. This is boom and crash, and it's something we've studied it over time. Okay, you can see after one spike, after one dot, there was a spike. So we studied this for a long time. After one spike, there was another. After this one dot, there was a spike. So it might spike again, guys. Then if it doesn't spike after this very candle, this very dot, I'm closing it. Okay, if it does not spike, I'm closing it, right? So now this video won't be long, so let me quickly show you guys the settings for this video. Sorry, for this strategy. Let me also check crash 1000. No, you see at this point there was a spike. Okay, so today I'll be talking only on the spikes aspect, like how to catch spikes with this strategy. Then the next video I'm dropping on this same strategy would be about scalping, how to scalp with this strategy. Okay, and I'll show you all the settings and how to really make use of this strategy to make money, to scalp and make money. Okay, so yeah, so I'll quickly close now, since it didn't spike after the two dots. Give me a minute, this video won't be long. So yeah, these are the settings for this strategy. Remember, before I start, this strategy is for boom and crash, mainly for boom 1000 and crash 1000, because those ones moves, the RSI here moves easily. Because of the settings of the RSI, it's not really cool for you to use it to trade crash 500 and boom 500. Let me show you. You see, crash 500 and boom 500 doesn't get to this point, this 10 and 5 level, and also it doesn't get to this 90 95 level because their spikes are not long and they don't really move like boom 1000 and crash 1000, right? So that's why you shouldn't make use of this very use this strategy to trade crash 500 and boom 500. Okay, it's mainly for crash 1000 and boom 1000, right? Yeah, so now it's for boom 1000 and crash 1000. You can use this strategy to scalp both boom and crash, and also use it to catch spikes on both boom and crash. Then you use 1 minute chart time frame. Use 1 minute time frame to trade the strategy. And the screen, I keep on hearing people asking me how to position the screen. Just move your screen like this and leave it right there. This is it. It doesn't go um that far, like away from that level where it is now. Just move your screen to the back, like leave it there. Just move it to the back and leave it there like that. It's cool. Then the zoom level should be the third zoom level. We have 5 zoom levels. We have zoom levels. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So you're using the third zoom level to trade this strategy. Okay, then you catch one spike or two spikes and you're out. Okay, one spike or two spikes, you're out. Right now, one good thing about catching spike is when you're entering, for example, you have a $20 account and you open a position at this point, you know how much you're willing to lose, how much you're willing to give to the market. If you're willing to give the market $5, then you should set your stop loss somewhere there, because it will be hard for you to close it without your stop loss. When you don't set stop loss, you might keep on telling yourself, it's my spike, it's my spike. Okay, so if it does not spike after touching this level, few pips below this level 5, then you should think of closing it already, right? You should be closing it already after touching the level 5 for boom, then after touching level 95 for crash, you should be thinking of closing it. Okay, then one spike, you're out. Yeah, so the settings here, we have though I still need to add one more um, indicator, or tweak the indicator for the scalping. Okay, so when I'm dropping the next video for scalping, I'll show you what to do, exactly what to do. Okay, so right now we have let's start with the indicator window 1. On the indicator window 1, where you have the indicator window 1, we have the RSI, which is, you can see the period here is 14. You apply to close. Style is 4 pixel and the color is blue. Then these are the levels. You can screenshot them. We have 95, we have 90, we have 10, we have 5. Okay, you go back and the color here is black. Yeah, you go back and click on done. Please screenshot that. Then you go back, you click on the um alligator. These are the parameters. You have the first one here, which is the just period, is 13. Just shift is 8. Tit period is 6. Tit shift is 5. Lips period is 5. Lips shift is 3. Method is smooth. Okay. Then apply to median price. Okay. Then the pixel, you have the draw style should be white. If you're using white background, okay, should be white, and the pixel should be 1, so that it will not be, it doesn't show on your chart. Okay, then the teeth style should be 2 pixel and lip style is 2 pixel. You see the colors here, you can choose any color apart from this first one, which is the draw style. Okay, you click on done. On the main chart, you can bring the alligator, but this one is mainly for the scalping. Then you can bring the alligator. It has almost the same settings with the one under the indicator window 1, so you can screenshot that. And yeah, that's all for now. You click on done, you go back, you can see what we have here on the chart. Okay, so now this is how to trade this with this strategy. You can see whenever you have price at this level here, level 9, sorry, level 10 and 5 for boom, you see the RSI, the blue indicator here under indicator window 1, you see the blue indicator at the level 10 or 5. You should be thinking of buying after getting the confirmation here. After getting the confirmation here on you see your indicator moving down to this level as well. At least the green indicator here, the green alligator here must touch the level 10. It must touch the level 10. Okay. Then once it touches the level 10 and you have the RSI at level 10, the RSI must touch the level 10 and maybe somehow below the level 10 for it to open a position. Okay. You open the position at that very point. Trust me, it's gonna spike, because if you go back like this, you can see price has been respecting this strategy over time. Okay. It works. Same thing here. It works. Spikes. Okay, long spikes. And yeah, also check crash 1000. You see the spike that happened there, the spike that happened there, and this one here, though the RSI did not touch the level 90 or 95, but the alligator moved, because alligator moves a bit faster than the RSI due to the settings and how it's worked perfectly. Yeah, and you can see this one as well. See spiking at this very point. Yeah, so this is the beauty of this strategy. Okay, that's the beauty of this strategy. You can see another one here. Spike happen at this point. We have the indicator at this level 90 and RSI at level 95. Okay, so please don't forget to join the channels, because we will be giving both currency and indices signal. Okay, so join our free Telegram channel for updates and more and other stuffs. Okay, so you can see another one here. The spike happened at this very point. So this strategy is very, very accurate. Like, the accuracy is something else. I love it so much. Okay, so please guys, that will be all for now. And I don't want this strategy to take time, this video to take time. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to just make sure you screenshot those stuffs and practice this strategy over time. You can see I use the live market to do this for you guys to see how it's being used for to make money. Okay, so that'll be all for now. So it's your favorite mentor out there and the best signal provider. All right guys, that'll be all for now. I love you. Bye bye.